Good day, ma'am. In this experiment, I will explain how universal gate circuits work. Universal gates are NAND and NOR gates because they can be used to create all other logic gates. I will demonstrate the input combinations and the corresponding output for each circuit. First circuit, NOR as NAND gate. This NOR gate acts as NAND gates. When both inputs are connected together, the output is the opposite of the input. Circuit 2, NOR as OR gate. This circuit forms an OR gate using a NOR gate. The output is high when any input is high. Circuit 3, NOR as AND gate. In this circuit, NOR gates are combined to create an AND gate. The output is high only when both inputs are high. Circuit 4, NOR as NAND gate. This circuit behaves like a NAND gate using only NOR gates. The output is low only when both inputs are high. Circuit 5, NOR as XOR gate. This circuit functions as an XOR gate. The output is high when the inputs are different. And the last circuits in the NOR 6 circuits, NOR as an XNOR gate. These circuits work as an XNOR gate. The output is high when both inputs are the same. NAND gate universal circuits. Per circuits, NAND as NAND gate. This circuit uses a NAND gate as a NAND gate by connecting both inputs together. If the input is low, the output is high. If the input is high, the output is low. Circuit 2, NAND as NAND gate. Here, multiple NAND gates are combined to form an AND gate. The output becomes high only when both inputs is low. As an OR gate, the output is high when at least one input is high. Circuit 4, NAND as NOR gate. Circuit 4, NAND as NOR gate. This circuit forms a NOR gate using NAND gates. The output is high only when both inputs are low. Circuit 5, NAND as XOR gate. This circuit behaves as an XOR gate. The output is high only when the inputs are different. And then last circuits in NAND is NAND as XNOR gate. This circuit works as an XNOR gate. The output is high when both inputs are the same. Therefore, their experiments proves that NAND and NOR gates are universal gates because they can be used to build a basic logic gates by combining them in different ways.